Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before moving further video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar. And if you are new to the channel, then we are Jobkar and you will get videos on job recruitment and preparation for placement on daily basis on this channel. And if you are searching for a job, then this is the right place you are. So please do like, share, and subscribe, as this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. If you follow us rigorously, then do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. And today's hiring is going to be from Siemens company. So they are hiring for software developers. Location for this job will be Pune, and it is our internal services job. Job description they have given here. So we will discuss the job responsibilities. So as a software engineer, a software developer at Siemens, you should be proficient in any coding language. They have not mentioned which coding language. You can whatever coding language you know, that will be great for you. They will prefer if you have any coding knowledge with Golang and Angular, then you should have good problem solving skills, ability to apply logic correctly. You should have experience in designing and developing REST APIs, and you should be able to understand and analyze the software requirement by interacting with technical lead. And you should have understanding of the unit test framework and should be able to write unit test for the developer developed software. Now what I need to be eligible for this role. So this is the eligibility criteria. So if you want to apply for this job, then you should you should have an engineering degree from BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, or MSc. So you should have a degree either from BE or BTech or MCA or MTech or MSc. Okay, so these degrees are eligible, or any equivalent degree. So equivalent degree would be ME. Okay, now you should be good in English writing and speaking, so good communication skills basically. Or you should have good interpersonal communication skills, and you should have understanding of any version control system. Okay, so these are the very basic eligibility criteria, and they have not mentioned any batch criteria. So any batch from BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, ME, MSc, all the or any equivalent degree are eligible. Okay, now make your mark in our exciting world at Siemens. So this role is primarily based at Pune. So your job location will be Pune. However, you may get the opportunity to visit other locations within India as when the work demands. Okay, so basically, as of now, the location is Pune, but based on the job or business requirement, they can send you to other location, other offices of Siemens in India. Okay, now we have got quite a lot to offer. So how about you? So in Siemens, a collection of over 3,79,000 minds building the future one day at a time in is over 200 countries, and we are dedicated to quality, and we encourage applications that reflect the diversity at the communities we work in. All employment decisions at Siemens are based on qualifications, merit, and business needs. Bring your curiosity and creativity and help us craft tomorrow. Okay, and also you can visit this page to find more about Siemens career. And this is all about this job opportunity. So if you are one of the eligible candidate and have interest in making career in software development, then do apply for this job. I will provide this link in the description box, so you need to go to the link and click on this apply now button and complete your application as soon as possible. Do apply as soon as possible because these type of job expires soon. Okay, and also share it with your friends if anyone interested. And this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates, and also share it with your friends and family. And I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.